Meantime, we were discussing this earlier. Ford re-examining its EV strategy in a big way. The company is going to take a multi-billion-dollar charge. Phil LeBeau joins us with the latest. We were batting it around. I want to hear your take on where things are right now, and then we'll get into it all.
Well, where they are is the company is admitting that its previous strategy, it wasn't working. Was it a complete failure? No, but it was definitely not succeeding, nowhere close to profitable when you look at their Model E business. I mean, we would routinely report when they had their quarterly and monthly sales, they were losing $40,000 per EV produced in the U.S. And that's why Ford is going to be taking a $19.5 billion charge, with most of that coming in 25, but also spread out into 26 and 27. That's all to write down their EV assets, impairment charges there, shift their production in North America. Some plants that were previously expected to produce a large all-electric pickup truck, they're going to be shifting over, maybe making an E-Rev, maybe also making a hybrid, and then there's going to be batteries for energy storage. So here's the new game plan from Ford. It's not giving up on EVs altogether. In the future, they will be smaller models. They've got what they call a UEV, an unboxed EV, new in development that's going to come out by the end of 27. That's going to be a prototype of what they're expecting. Lower price points, smaller EVs. They're going to be adding extended range EVs. The Lightning, for example, will not be a pure electric pickup truck. It'll be an extended range EV, and they're going to expand into hybrid models. Here's Jim Farley last night talking to us about why they made this decision.
Hybrid some months is 30% of our sales. Imagine having a Ford where a whole lineup has hybrids and E-Revs, and then we'll have this very affordable EV platform, UEV, at very affordable prices of 30 grand. We think that's the right place to pivot. That's where Americans are today with their powertrains and what they want to buy.
He's 100% correct on that. And Ford realized this. Farley and his team realized this a while ago, that hybrids, that was the sweet spot of the market. And Ford has pivoted successfully into developing more hybrids. Their sales are up 19.4% this year. By the way, the company is raising its 2025 EBIT guide to $7 billion. Previously was between $6 and $6.5 billion. Bottom line is this, guys. It's clear. The market for electric vehicles is just not going to develop as quickly as many originally thought, let's say 5 years ago. Ford has got to make the pivot, and it's paying a hefty price to do this, but they're making the pivot towards more hybrids. And if you are going to have EVs, they're going to either be smaller or they're going to be extended range EVs, which, as you guys understand, has become a hot area for development within the auto industry, especially when it comes to pickup trucks. That's where you have a generator essentially on board. You fuel that up. That then powers the motors, electric motors for the vehicle. And you can get a range of 600-700 miles for some vehicles, or that's the expectation that's out there. And as a result, Ford believes that's where they will go when it comes to electric pickup trucks.